Some pasta and ginger ale.
We are having pasta and ginger ale.
Mmm.
Whoa.
I already know what's Papa.
You are. Here we go. Isabella. Say, Papa, hook me up. Oh, okay? Say, Papa, hook me up.
Hook me up, Papa.
Okay, baby.
You little Tarzan baby.
Mm-hmm.
Hook me up, Papa.
Say, Papa, hook me up again.
Hook me up again, Papa.
Oh, that's a big bite. Good job. Let me wipe your grill.
Are you having peppers and sausage and pasta and ginger ale?
Yeah.
Is it delicious? It's fizzy.
Have some, Papa.
Okay, baby. Can you say carbonation?
Good Nathan.
Good job.
2.5 years old.
That's all right, huh? Say, Papa, that's right on time.
That was in time, Papa. Good morning, Papa.
Okay, babe.
Put it up this.
Okay, babe.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Cover your mouth. Oh, good job.
Nice obligatory cough there. Whoa, that's a big bite. Oh, too much.
Good bite.
That was a big bite.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
What was that? Bye-bye.
Sneeze cough.
Bye-bye.
It was
Mwah.
it was a snuff.
Mwah.
Did you just snuff?
Yeah.